Freeze. There's too much of noise pollution. If this is going to happen, then we won't be able to do our task. Am I right? So let's do it in silence, okay? Yes, very good. You can talk to your friends, but not too loud. Yes, I'm coming to you, darling. 1 minute, okay? So meanwhile, children, you will all stand up. You will take these objects, place it in the right flashcard. What are these flashcards written, Ananta? Can you quickly read it for me? Metal, wood. Dennis, can you read that for me? Ranveer. What is this, Ranveer? And?
Glass.
Okay. So we have, what are these? Are these objects or materials, Saisha? Are these flashcards objects or materials? Very good. Okay, place it there. Please place it here, darling. Yeah. So now you will take out the objects and you will sort it for the right material. Can you do it now, Dennis? And please be careful with certain objects you might break. Okay, please be careful. Get up, do it. Once you're done, sit down and give me a thumbs up. Yes, Anika, you need some help. What is it? Write the object first. What is this?
How much time is given for them to at each event?
Approximately like 10 to 15 minutes.
For them to move to the next center?
For them to move to the next center. But whether it's plastic or wood, and you're going to justify that. Why? Pick wood now. Why?
Because it is kind of hard.
It's hard. Plastic also is hard.
It also breaks.
It breaks?
Yeah.
Wow, it breaks. So can a plastic break? Take this one, darling. Can you try it?
No.
It doesn't. What about this?
Yeah.
Be careful. Yes. So finally, where do I place this? Children, all of you guide me now. Where should I place this now? Your proof? Okay, done. Okay, very good. So now, everything I've placed it right. Once again, children, quickly scan through all the objects. Have it placed in the right place. Yeah, so just scan it. Okay, everything is placed in the right place. Yes. Saisha, can you pick up the
This is paper.
Okay, now everyone look at me now. Who placed this object under plastic? Who was it? Don't know. Okay, very good. So now tell me, does this go under plastic, children?
No. No.
Why no?
Yes.
You kept it. Okay. So is there only plastic here? Quickly check. Is there only plastic in that object? What happened? There's also glass. Please be careful, Ananta. There's also glass. So can I place it in the plastic? Together. Very good. Okay. Very good. Now one more thing. Before we go ahead with the next task, Ananta and Dennis, I'm telling you again. Okay? It's fun to play around, but I want to do your work as well. Okay? Sure, you're going to do it? Okay, let me see how you're going to do this task now. Saisha, I want her to be involved in this. Okay? So now, children, you will pick up any two material and write the properties of it. Okay, Ananta and Saisha? Meanwhile, Dennis and Ranveer, can you pick up any two of the material in front of you? And can you write the properties of it?
I'm doing it.
You're not going to touch this anymore. First, you're going to write it. Okay, Dennis, enough. Place it there. Okay, start writing. Dennis and Ranveer will do it together. Okay, Dennis, leave this now. Okay, here. Take another pencil. Can you pass a pencil for Dennis? Yes, please. What are the two objects you're going to pick, Dennis and Ranveer? Write out the material first.
We are taking.
What is this material?
This is.
Okay, then write down glass and write the properties. And remember, I want the properties. Got it? I want the properties of the material.
Shorter, right? And what about this? It's long. Very good. Good job. Now put your paper, clean up your table.
Sorry?
It's okay. No problem. It's okay. I'll give you the extra. extra spoon. Keep it over, just mix it. So can you tell me is sand dissolving or not? Can you see that? Can you see if sand dissolving or not? So is it insoluble or soluble? Insoluble, right. So where will you write that? Good job. You have already written enough. Oil is soluble, but I can see the oil floating on the top of the water. Can you see that? If you mix, it will get mixed. Okay, let me see if it is getting mixed. Sit down, Abhiram. Is it soluble or insoluble? Okay.
I gave you enough of time. Why? Tell me a reason, Dennis. Why? Because you're concentrated on playing rather than writing and identifying. Why, Dennis? You're a star kid, right? Come on, you can give your best today. Quickly, do your best. Quick, let's do this now.
What is this one? What is it?
It's a plant. What is it? Identify the property of it. Come on. You're done? Excellent. One more material. Very good. Try one more material.
Ma'am.
Yeah. So now, Clara, you have marked them as wrong, right? So now you carry this and tell me, does metal has weight or not? Is it like air? It has weight, right? So is it right or wrong what you have done? Very good. So good job, children. Now, if you're ready for the next activity, go to the sorting. We're done with the sorting. Okay, first they will sort the properties into whatever flashcards you have placed. Based on the materials, they will sort the objects.
So, for example, metal will be sorted
So they
here.
had, so they had this here.
So this they did as a group activity.
Yeah, it's a group activity. So they will take things together, they will sort it, and once they are done, they will cross-check whether all the objects have been placed in the right place.
Okay.
Once that is done, as a group activity, that is as partners, they will write the properties of any two objects that's placed in front of them. For example, wood or metal, any two materials.
And these words hard.
It's all on the board.
It's
After
all on the board.
Yeah.
It's written there.
Yeah.
All.
So they can choose that. And
So
if
which
any
means
other,
it's sort of guided writing.
it's almost like guided, but they are picking up their own objects.
Yeah. So there's choice.
Yeah, there's choice as
There's
well.
choice, but every support is given to
Support
them.
is given to them.
And based on that, they will make it right.
Yeah, but some children who know their own, for example, weight, it was not provided, they write by themselves. So based on that. So once it's done, we exchange it, we ask them to cross-check whether, for example, they have cross-checked this paper.
So this is peer correction.
Peer correction.
So there's peer. First there's choice.
Yeah, choice,
Then there is their own reflection.
reflection,
And then there is peer correction.
peer correction. Okay, and then after they correct, we again exchange the papers and we ask them the question. We ask them to reason why they felt that metal has weight is marked it wrong, which is their paper.
So they have to explain.
Yeah, they have to explain that. So that's why I was helping them. Once they were not able to answer, I explained to them, I gave them the object. They felt it and then they said whether it's right or not. So that is the first activity, it's a common activity.
And this is the focus today.
Focus paper. Okay? First they sort it. And then, so these objects are mostly single material. Like it's either wood or it's either plastic or whatever. But there was one challenging one, that is this one. So children got confused whether it's plastic or glass. So that's when they were confused, so it was kept all by the side. So I asked one person to explain, where does this belong? So some objects can be made by 2 or 3 materials. After this, we go ahead to the next activity. Okay, so now children, I want you to pick up any one object from here. Okay, quickly first, as a group now. Same way with your partners. Very good. You would pick yours. Okay, one object at a time. So this we've already done. So only this one. One object. See, your friend has already picked it up. Okay, you can do this. You can take the next one as well. So now on the same sheet, on the back side of it, okay? Quickly. Can you identify what are the different materials you see in that object? Quickly, okay? Quickly you will write down the different materials you see, you observe in the object. Can you quickly write down? Fast.
There is metal, there is wood, there is fabric, there is plastic, there is glass. In the extended activity, in the extended activity, they gave a mixed material. So that was an extended activity when children understood that an object can be made of two or more combinations. This is a weighing scale. Weighing machine.
Very nice.
This is the numeracy center.
Yes, ma'am.
And what was their...
Ma'am, they are going to predict with non-standard units. With the blocks, they will predict what spoon size it is. Is it long? Is it short? And what size it is. And they will write. They will first predict and then they will measure and write the correct measurements.
And in the STEM center?
STEM center, they're going to use the recyclable materials to create their own craft. So
Anything
will,
they can make out of
anything,
waste.
Anything out of waste.
Alright. And are they going to measure that also?
No. They are not going to measure. They are going to tell us what they have used.
Okay.
If they are using a plastic or a paper or a thermocol, whatever they are using, a thread, anything which can be recycled, they have
Look,
to
I
use
did a
that.
major rule. Look, do you know how to cut this? Yeah.
The first one, they were able to measure the length of the given objects using non-standard unit. And the second one, as you saw, they were able to use the recyclable materials to create their own craft. This was on the STEM center. Moving to the KUW center, they were to observe the materials and find if the materials are soluble or insoluble.
They have already done.
Huh.
They measure. They have done with the soil, oil, sugar, salt, and
They're
sand.
able to sort. There's,
Their
there's,
prediction. They are predicting.
so there's sugar, there's salt on the table, there's oil and sand for them.
So they first predicted, and then they have written. Is it soluble or insoluble?
And
And now on the literacy center,
They have to imagine that they are in the Jumeirah beach, and then we have given some flashcards. They will see accordingly, and they will tell why they have to take all this to the beach, and they'll tell what happens when the sun rays, how they have to protect themselves from the sun.
so at the literacy center, the children were to imagine that they are going to the Jumeirah beach and they are going to write down the things they are going to pack and why they need to carry these things. So if you can see, the children are writing. Can I see this, darling? So they have written beautifully. And she's written, I'm going to the beach with my dad. Wow. And I'm going to take swimming costume.